Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Shopify Google Shopping and SEO feeds. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Shopify Google Shopping and SEO feeds, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. In the left sidebar, find and click on Apps. Next, search for the Google Channel app in the Shopify App Store. If you haven't installed it yet, click on Add App to install Google Channel. After installation, go back to the Shopify admin and select Google from the apps list. Now, click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. You will now see a list of features. Focus on enabling the Google Shopping and SEO feeds. Next, click on the Connect account to link your Google Merchant Center account. A pop-up will appear prompting you to log in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials associated with your Merchant Center. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Shopify access to your account. Once connected, verify your Merchant Center account details. Make sure your store information is accurate, including your business name and address. Proceed to set up your product feed by choosing which products to include. You can filter products based on collections or other criteria. After selecting your products, click on the Save button to initiate the feed generation. Next, go to the SEO section within the Google Channel app. Here, you can customize your product titles and meta descriptions for better search visibility. Make sure to optimize each product for relevant keywords. Now, return to the main Google Channel dashboard. Check the status of your feed and ensure there are no errors. If any issues appear, follow the prompts to resolve them. Lastly, monitor your Google Merchant Center dashboard for updates on your feed performance. By following these steps, you will successfully authorize and set up Google Shopping and SEO feeds for your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.